And here we are back with a Dacia Duster 2017 model. You might remember earlier in the year we replaced the weight after we had a slight accident. This time we got an issue where there's no water on the windscreen when you operate your windscreen wipers. I believe it is to be the windscreen wiper motor, which I sourced the part from Europarts, 1999. So we're going to go ahead and replace that and show you how we do it. Okay, so what we need to do here is this is water washer reservoir. The pump is attached to the bottle under here. We need to first remove the grill, remove the bottle, remove the washer motor, then put the washer motor back in, put the bottle back in, put the grill back in, and then just first of all, we're going to take this little plastic retaining clip out, which holds this whole plastic grill in place. Just use a flat blade screwdriver, just pry it out gently. There's a little rubber slip that will just slip off. Pull it in. Give it a wiggle, and there goes the pin. Keep all of these for later. Next thing we need to do is remove the grill, which is quite simple. Screwdriver in there just to grab a hold of it. Pull the rubber off, rubber seal off, just so we can get in. Lift the grill up. And it comes in two parts. Give it a little wiggle and it should come off. Putting up a fight. There's a little clip at the back here. There we go. That could just be set aside. Just feed that through and set aside. And here is the washer bottle that we need to remove. First of all, we're going to take off the electric wire, which sends power to the motor when you squirt window washer fluid onto the window. Is a bit pig, it's a tiny little clip. Holds the connector in place so it doesn't come loose. There we go, these hatch bad, and I'll show you a picture of the clip. Okay, this is the little blue clip, and they probably make it blue, so when you do drop it, it's easy to find. It's just a simple little slide mechanism, and what that should now do is, with a little bit of luck, it should allow us to Okay, the next thing we need to do is there's a little 10mm bolt down here. We need to loosen this, and this will then loosen the bottle from the chassis of the vehicle. And okay, we'll just loosen this 10mm nut, just using a small socket set. Okay, and there we can see just a little 10mm nut with a washer. To do now that the washer bottle is loose is we need to remove the two rubber hoses. That one feeds the front windscreen wipers and the second hose feeds the rear windscreen wiper. So And there we go. It's removed. Next thing we need to do is to take the bottle completely out. Okay, this is probably going to be a little messy because you can see the windscreen washer bottle is full, but a little wiggle and it comes out in one piece. Here you can see the windscreen wiper motor. This is a little bit that we need to replace, so we'll take that out. We'll probably give the bottle a good wash and it could bleed, and we'll put it all back together. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is actually remove the physical motor unit from the washer bottle reservoir, and I believe it should just be a case of levering out the rubber washer, which may take a little bit, but it seems to be a little sharp movement. There we go, it seems to be coming down. There you go, completely out. So this is the old unit. And this is the new unit. As you can see, they are completely identical. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the washer motor back into the reservoir. There's a little grommet which eases off, and that then just locates into the hole. Use both hands and pushes in, lights firmly in there. And then the next thing is there's two slots down here which the motor slides to, and then just the motor seals on the new grommet. Try and show you that. There we go, that looks good. Nice positive noise and a little seal when it goes in. So that should all be good. Let's fill it up and just test for leaks just to make sure before we put it all back together. Okay, we're all clean. We've got the new motor in. Now it's just a case of locating the bottle back into the car and reversing the procedure that we did to remove the unit. Okay, and now we're just going to reattach the rubber hoses, which obviously feed the nozzles on the front windscreen and on the rear windscreen. And I did take note of which one went where. They actually do seem to cross over. It's firm, push down, and that should find its own place. That looks good. Another one on this side. Good firm push down. Okay, the plug should just simply plug into place. Clicks in, and we've got a little blue pin which slots in and pushes in. That locks it into place. Should we top it up? Okay, we're just going to top it up with water and give it a test before we all put it back together just to make sure. That's a good test. Happy with that. So now we'll just put everything back together where it should be, and that's us all done. Thank you.